what's up there? This is Freddy Gandarilla here, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can get free traffic from Facebook groups, all right? And I'm also going to show you my personal way of posting on Facebook groups manually and in a very easy way, and in a way that you can get it done faster than in any other way besides using a software, all right? And before I start talking about this, you might be wondering, why wouldn't I use a software like OnlyWire or like Hootsuite or any other Facebook auto poster? I used to use them a lot. I used to use Hootsuite or OnlyWire and Triver to post in groups, and I also used to share my affiliate links and try to promote a capture page on every single group. But I changed the way I do things now, and this is something new I came up with about 2 months ago. So this is still a new strategy, and also this is a small idea that I came up with to help you, or to help me, and now I'm sharing this with you, right? So I came up with this idea to help myself first, and now I want to share this with you on how you can manually post on Facebook groups really easy. And it's like I said, you might be wondering, why not use a software. One of the reasons is because people can tell between somebody posting with a software and somebody posting manually. All right, that's one thing. Another thing is that, with my experience, sometimes the auto posters, they mess up your post, all right? And sometimes they don't even post on all of the groups that you are trying to post at. So sometimes the software can mess up your post, and it might not look the way that you want it to look. You know what I mean? So I just like to make sure that everything that I advertise on Facebook, I do it manually, because I want to. I don't know. I'm a perfectionist, so you might not be like me. You know what I mean? But if you want to do what I do, then you can, feel free to do what I do, and you can also feel free to do whatever you want to do. But this is my personal experience, and this is what I personally do to get free traffic from Facebook groups. And I'm going to talk about the traffic from here, and what I do with the traffic, and how I take advantage of the traffic, and how I make sure I get the best out of this traffic. Like I said before, I used to promote my capture pages and affiliate links. Now I do something a little bit different. I'm going to talk about that in a little bit. So let me just show you how you can open a lot of Facebook groups at once, and then just post on each one of them, and then go on to the next group, or the next set of groups. So what I came up with is a small idea to bookmark all of the Facebook groups in different folders, all right? And I'm using Mozilla Firefox right now. So if you have a different browser, I'm sure you can do the same thing in any browser online. So what I did was, I created a folder. And by the way, a quick note, I really, really recommend you to get organized. As you can see right here, I have everything that I need for my business, for my blogs and my marketing. I'm one click away from everything that I need, right? So this is a way for me to be as productive as possible, so I can just click on stuff and get straight to work, right? Get straight to taking massive action. So I really recommend you to do the same and follow me, and you could do the same thing I'm doing. I want you to succeed as much as possible with the help that I'm giving you. So if you get results with the stuff that I'm sharing with you, please leave me your feedback in a comment, and support this website by sharing it with your friends and on social networks. But anyway, so I created a folder for Facebook groups, right? And it's right here. And I use about 100 Facebook groups, right? And I created different folders for different Facebook groups that where I join, right? So I recommend you to put from 10 to 15 Facebook groups on each folder, right? And actually, if you have a slow PC, you might only want to put 10 groups in one folder, because you are going to open that folder, all of those links at once, right? So you are going to open all of them with one click, right? And let me show you what I'm talking about here. So let's say I already did my group one. I posted, on each one of them. Now I want to go to the next one. And all you gotta do is right click and open all in tabs, right? They're gonna warn you that that might slow down Firefox. And like I told you, if you open too many, that might slow down your browser. So make sure you do, no more than 10. All right, that's my recommended number. So once you do that, you wait for all of them to load, right? And as you can see, I open all of them with one click, right? And then all I do basically, let me just close some of them because yeah, I had too many in there. Like I said, you should do at least no more than 10 per folder. All right, so what I do now is basically share the the link to my blog post. All right, so let me just close some more. All right, so let me share a link live right now, right in front of you. So this is exactly what I do. All right, so I'll take that link, copy, and then I'll paste it here. Now you can post just like this. There's no problem with that. You can do that. It's fine. But what I like to do, all right, let me just post that, right? You can post it like that. That's fine. But what I do, I like to, customize my message a little bit so it looks better, right? So what I would do is something like this. 3 simple steps, or 3 simple tips to get free traffic online. All right, so there we go. Something like that. And then I'll put the link right below it. Now I also like to clean up my link so it looks good. This is just something that I like to do personally. You know what I mean? You feel free to do whatever you want, whatever message you want to put in there, and however you want to put it. So that's it for me. Now that I have that little message, I could copy that, and then I could just paste in each group that same message very fast. There you go. Only took a couple of seconds to post on 3 groups, right? And that's a good message. And that is something that is going to stand out a little bit more than everybody else is just sharing affiliate links and capture pages and stuff like that. Not a lot of people is sharing content and valuable content. So one of the reasons why I do this is because like I said, everybody is promoting an affiliate link. I'm not. I'm trying to gain followers. I'm trying to gain a following, and I'm trying to basically make money on the long run rather than make a quick buck from anybody. You know what I mean? Because if you are looking to make a quick money, then you could be really, really pushy. You could be marketing really hard and just putting your affiliate link everywhere. That's fine. That's fine with you. Like I said, you can do whatever you want. But what I do is I send people to my blog post, right? And the reason why is because I know that if they like what I shared with them, if they like my content, right? If they love my blog and what I have to share with them, and maybe they get results with what I share, because trust me, I share some powerful stuff. And feel free to go and check out all of the things that I have in here. I have videos and audios and ebooks and stuff like that. I even have motivation for you, to come here and get motivated and get inspired on a daily basis and learn everything that you need to learn about internet marketing, blogging, SEO. Everything that you need to know is already here. So when I send people here, they are going to get so much value out of the blog. Whatever they are involved in, they could be bloggers, they could be somebody who wants to learn about SEO, social media marketing, video marketing, somebody who is just starting with WordPress or some stuff like that. People are going to like the content, and they are more likely to follow the blog, they are more likely to bookmark the blog, they are more likely to follow me forever. So I want to gain a follower forever, and the way I do that is by leading with value. I don't lead with an offer, I lead with value. All right. And I know a lot of people, you gotta make money, and I get that, but I want to build a community on my blog, right? I want to build a blog where every time I publish a blog post, a lot of people is going to automatically come to read that blog post without me having to do any advertising, right? But that is going to be somewhere, at one point in the future, once I get the ball rolling. And I'm going to talk about how you can get the ball rolling for your blog, and I'm going to share a lot of knowledge later on. All right, so you gotta make sure you are subscribed to this blog. But anyways, so once I get the ball rolling with my blog, where people are coming in, and I don't have to do much marketing anymore, because the people are sharing my stuff, and that gets me free traffic. So once you have a lot of people coming into your blog and they love your content, they love what you have to offer, because you have showed them that you are a true leader, you are really here to help them succeed and not just make a sell out of them. People are going to ask you to join you, they are going to buy from you. Trust me, if you lead with value and you show that who you really are and what you're really about, then people are going to follow you, they are going to trust you. And trust me, once you recommend something, they are more likely to buy from you, because they know you, they know that you lead with value, and what you recommend is very powerful, right? Because they know who you are. That is one of the reasons why I send traffic to my blog, because I'm focusing on my blog, right? I'm building a blog that will generate leads and sales on autopilot for me, right? Right now I'm already getting traffic from the search engines, from social networks, from different places, all because I have put in the hours, I have put in the work and the effort to promote the blog and just drive traffic. And now having a little following, it helps you get more traffic. So as you get more traffic, you get the ball rolling. You get to a point where you don't really have to do much marketing anymore, because the content and the people who are already following you and sharing your stuff, they are the ones who are sending you more traffic, and it keeps going. And it is limitless, the amount of traffic you can get from social network shares. You know what I mean? If you get at least 100 people to tweet your blog post every time you publish a new blog post, you are going to get a lot of free traffic, all because you have built a foundation of followers who trust you, who love you, who really like what you have to offer, right? So you need to make sure you work on that. All right. And if you are a brand new blogger and you have a brand new blog, this strategy might not work, or actually it's probably not going to work. You have to make sure you have a good blog with a lot of content. All right, I'm doing this because I have my blog is new, but I already have a lot of content, and I can share a lot of blog posts with a lot of valuable content. So I can do this strategy and really benefit from it because I have built my blog with quality content. I have really took the time. I've taken the time to really care about the user, right? To really care about the visitor, right? So I really make sure that they get the best information from my blog. And you can see right here, I have everything they need, to build a good business on the internet. So I send them to my blog so I can gain more followers. And that way I can, get customers for life. All right. So that's all I wanted to talk to you about. That this little tip is pretty cool. You can do it. Try it out right now to get free traffic from Facebook groups. If you want a list of my Facebook groups, I'm going to have a list of all of the Facebook groups I'm part of, so you can go ahead and join them. All right. So I'm going to share that with you. So feel pretty lucky today. All right, I'm sharing this with you. I mean, I'm always open with you. I'm going to share everything that I know with you. All right, so don't forget to follow me, follow the blog. So let me show you very quickly how you can bookmark all of the Facebook groups. All right, so this is how you bookmark all of the groups. All right. Make sure you do this once, because if you leave this page, the order of the groups are going to be changed, and you might bookmark the same groups 2 or 3 times, and you don't want to do that. So you make sure you get all of your Facebook groups in folders at one time, because like I said, the order of the Facebook links right here, the Facebook groups links are going to change. They change every time. So this is what you do. You open all of the groups that you want to put in a folder, right? Let me open like 5, right? And then wait for them to load. You could do 5 or 10, no more than 10, like I said earlier. All right, so now go up there and right click, and then bookmark all tabs, right? Now before you do this, like I told you, you want to create a Facebook folder, right? So that's pretty much what you do, right? And that's it. And then you post and you post and you post and you post, and then you take a break, take a 10-15 minute break, and then come back and do another 20. Do 20 groups at a time, take a 10-minute break, and then do another 20 until you are done with all of the groups. But it is pretty easy to bookmark all of them, and make sure you bookmark in that folder, in the Facebook group folder, and then you name this group 2. Oh no, hold on, I already have that group 2. Yeah, group 15. All right, so add bookmarks. Now this bookmark all of the pages that are on your browser, including this page right here, right? The browse groups page. So what you want to do, once you put all of the groups in a folder, you want to go to the folder and delete that page. So every time you open, you don't open that page as well, right? You only want to open the Facebook groups. And that's it. And that's what you do for every single folder. Organize yourself with your Facebook groups and get organized. All right, get organized like I do right here. All right, this is one of the easiest way to stay productive in your business. So that's all I wanted to share with you. A pretty cool little tip on how to get free traffic from Facebook groups, and what I do with the traffic, what you could do with the traffic, and how you can manually posts in an easy way, a lot faster. And to me, you know, this really pays off if you do it very consistently. And if you are a brand new blogger or a newbie on the internet, do this daily, at least 2 times a day. All right. So do this daily, get the traffic, and build your business. All right. So don't forget to share this in the social networks. And if you like this video, please subscribe to the channel, subscribe to the blog, share this, leave your comments, and please leave me your feedback. All right, what do you think about this? If you are doing the same thing I'm doing, please let me know in a comment below. I want to know your feedback. I want to know what are your comments on this. And if you have any other tips, please share them. All right, so I wish you the best success ever. All right, I'll talk to you later.